Hi everyone, my name is Devshekhar Laha and welcome to this video session. Today in this video session, I am going to show you that how you can register yourself in TCS CodeVita competition. TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Services, is one of the largest MNC in India as well as in the world. Since 2012, TCS proudly promoting the programming as a sports culture among global students through CodeVita. TCS CodeVita is a contest where one individual candidate can participate and compete to win World-Based Coder Award. There are 3 rounds in TCS CodeVita contest. First, pre-qualifier round, which is a region-based zonal round. Candidate can participate from anywhere in the world through online. Next, qualifier round, which is country-based zonal round. Here also candidate can participate from anywhere in the world through online. And finally, grand finale, which is take place in the venue decided by TCS. TCS CodeVita is a hackathon-based contest where a large scale of candidates participates every year. Candidates are allowed with open book research anytime and anywhere in the world with 24 hours time window. There are lots of benefits to participate in TCS CodeVita contest that includes cash prizes and job or internship opportunities at TCS. So please don't miss this opportunity. Register yourself in TCS CodeVita today. Now let me show you how you can register yourself in TCS CodeVita competition. Okay, let's start now. In your desktop, laptop or smartphone, choose any internet browser like Firefox, Chrome, Opera or Safari. I am using laptop here and I have Firefox internet browser. So I am choosing Firefox as the internet browser. Now, in the address bar of the browser, please type following URL: https://nextstep.tcs.com/campus. This link is available in the description box of the video, so please check the description box to get the link. Now press enter. If you are using your smartphone, then please choose desktop site for this web page, since nextstep.tcs.com page is not compatible to mobile view. So this is the homepage of TCS NextStep portal. Every time you have to visit here to participate in different activities in TCS like TCS CodeVita or TCS Campus Drive. Since you are the first time user, you have to click on the Register Now button. Once you will click on the Register Now button, you will be redirected to next page, select category. In this select category page, you will find two options: IT, that is Information Technology, and BPS, that is Business Process Services. If you click on the I button beside the Information Technology, you will find its details. Candidates having engineering or science background will choose IT or Information Technology. If you click I button beside Business Process Services, you will find its details. Candidates having other than engineering or science background will choose BPS or Business Process Services. Here you have to choose IT. So click on the green colored IT button. Now you will be redirected to the registration page where you have to fill up few of your details to register yourself with TCS. Okay, let's start filling up the form. Fill up your name first. Choose your title first, next your first name, middle name and last name. Here only first name is mandatory. If someone doesn't have middle name or last name, you can keep them blank. Next, choose your date of birth. First day, then month and finally year. This date of birth should be as per document you have, like your class 10 admit card or PAN card, etc. Then select your gender. There are two options here, male and denial to disclose. Surprisingly, I don't know why this form having two options only for gender selection, not male or female or others. Anyway, I am keeping it denial to disclose and I would suggest you to keep it denial to disclose. Next is your email ID. Please don't use your strange email IDs here, like im_vampire.slg@gmail.com or a too long email ID like himesh.slg.darjeeling.73409.1234567@gmail.com. Why I am saying so? Because you are using this email ID for an official purpose with TCS. Your email ID must be contain your name. It should be small and simple. For example, you can take this email ID I am using here. If you don't have this type of email ID, please create it first and then apply. I repeat, you are using this email ID for an official purpose with TCS. Next, your mobile number. Then type your institute name. Now your qualification. For example, Bachelor of Technology or Master of Technology or Bachelor of Science or Bachelor of Computer Application, etc. This is as per your highest qualification you are pursuing now. Now choose your year of passing from the drop down menu. Please pay attention while you choose your year of passing. Please don't make mistake here, otherwise your campus drive for TCS will be ruined. Let me explain. Suppose you are now in second year. This is year 2020. So your year of passing will be 2022, not 2020. Or suppose you are now in first year. This is year 2020. So your year of passing is 2023, not 2020. Lots of candidates make mistake here and they create profile again. So please don't make mistakes to choose your year of passing. I am assuming I am in first year, so I am choosing 2023 as a year of passing. Next is nearest test location. This is not a test location for CodeVita. This is for TCS Campus Drive and it contains names of the major cities only. So choose accordingly to your suitable location. Like if Siliguri is a near place of yours, So keep it Siliguri, or if Kolkata, then choose Kolkata. Now your login password. TCS has their own policy to choose a password. Like a password should be at least 8 characters and not more than 15 characters. The password must contain one uppercase, one lowercase, one number and one special character, etc. So read the policy thoroughly and decide your password. I can give one example like arrow has 2022 where A is capital. This password is in between 8 to 15 characters and it has at least one uppercase, one lowercase and one special symbol. If you make any mistake, the text box JavaScript will show you error messages for wrong password format. Now re-enter the password. It should be similar to your actual password you have entered previously. Once again, the text box JavaScript will show you error messages for dissimilarity between passwords. Now choose a security question from the drop-down menu. I will suggest you to choose it what is your nationality. Then write your answer Indian. Why I am suggesting, somehow if you forget your password, this will help you. Anyway, choice is yours. And finally, put the appeared captcha and click on the submit button. Now it will prompt you for your confirmation and please click on confirm. Many congratulations. You have successfully registered with TCS. Now you will get a CT or DT reference ID, which is a unique ID for you to communicate with TCS further. Please note down this number in a secure place so that you can use it in future. Next, click on the continue button. It will prompt you to type your password. Enter your password. And you will be redirected to your profile homepage. Here you will find lots of options like application form, campus commune, track my application, how to apply, etc. Application form, track my application, how to apply, these are when you will apply for TCS Campus Drive. For Code Vita, choose Campus Commune and click on the Launch Campus Commune button. In a new tab, it will open Campus Commune page. Since you are the first time user, you have to accept the terms and conditions of Campus Commune. Click on the I agree button. Now you are in the Campus Commune homepage. Here you will find a lots of information like competition going on and past events, etc. For Code Vita, click on the Code Vita link. Now you will be in the banner page of Code Vita. Next, click on the Code Vita link. So now you are in home page of Code Vita. Click on the register button. Accept the terms and conditions and click on the register button. It will ask you to verify your mobile number. Please put the mobile number you have given during your registration with TCS and click on the submit. Congratulations once again, you have successfully registered for TCS Code Vita contest. Please explore this page for some time to know more about TCS Code Vita contest. Here you will find your credentials, which is only for when you will participate in TCS Code Vita contest pre-qualifier round. So please don't mix it with the DT reference number or CT reference number and password with it. DT or CT reference number and password is to log in into next step portal of TCS. Once you are done, to log out from this page, click on the logout link from here. Now onward, you can directly log in from this campuscommune.tcs.com page using your CT or DT reference number and its password. Once you are done, to log out from this page, click on the logout link from here. After logout, close the Campus Commune page and log out from TCS Next Step portal too. From the next time, click here in login. Using your CT or DT reference number and its password, you can log in to TCS Next Step portal. So I hope I could assist you that how you can register yourself for TCS CodeVita competition. For further any assist, please write in the comment section. I will certainly assist you. At the end of the video, I have shared sample questions for TCS CodeVita, so please check them too. Please note that student will have option of choosing from 8 different programming languages. These are C, C++, C#, Java, Perl, PHP, Python and Ruby. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please press the like button if you like this tutorial and subscribe button to subscribe my channel. This will help me to grow this channel. In the comment section, please write your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. These all will help me to improve. Now, watch the sample questions. Thank you so much again. Please take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day.